The last 1 year has been a learning experience for all of us, especially for teachers. From adopting new digital tools to using innovative ways to make classrooms more engaging, teachers have been the real heroes of the last academic session. A quick look at some examples.
I give them challenges in forms of games. It could be in the form of Kahoot quiz during my classrooms. Whenever I get time, when I know that my children need more of movement, so I get into this game mode where I start playing games with them.
I begin my lesson with an online platform like Answer Garden to know how much my students already know about the concept.
So, for example, Padlet. Padlet helps children to collaborate and learn, which help peer learning also.
So all these online platforms have really helped me to make my classes more engaging.
During online session, the most difficult concept was to make them understand pictograph. So basically, pictograph is a visual representation and an exposure of graphs to the young children.
During my English language class, I had asked my students to get a fruit right from their refrigerator and just place it in front of the screen. That they had to describe this particular fruit in terms of the five senses.
While teaching the integers part, as it's a new topic, so I used group discussion. So I divided my students into breakout rooms and asked them to first of all discuss about those properties and then present it in the form of a mind map. So they were engaged also, and they also used their thinking that this is the activity and this is how we need to present it.